Aircraft from around the globe are on the ground and the pieces are being put into place. I'm Allison Godlove as final preparations for eBay's 2023 are underway. Aircraft are rolling into place as this year's state-of-the-art aircraft display comes together.
Sunday's our arrivals day. We're about halfway through it right now. And so far everything's going to plan, so we hope to finish the day off strong.
This year there are several new aircraft on display at eBay's. The Gulfstream G800 and Airbus ACJ220 are making their first-time public appearances. Also, the Airbus helicopter ACH-160 is making its eBay's debut. Work here inside is also underway as eBay's state-of-the-art exhibit hall comes together from the ground up.
We're ahead of schedule on a lot of the build. Everything's coming together really nicely and we're super excited for the show. And then we also have a sustainability theater on the show floor for the first time this year that's going to have lots of content focused on sustainability efforts in the industry and what everyone's doing to make aviation more sustainable. We have many exhibitors that have committed to doing the pledge, which means that they are pledging that they're going to take several steps and efforts within their build-up and teardown and the use of materials in their booths that are more sustainable. So reusing items, recycling items, potentially there's a whole long list of ways that they can contribute.
The wait to check all of this out is nearly over. You can see the aircraft display and the exhibit hall for yourself on Tuesday. For eBay's TV, I'm Allison Godlove.